Haulers dump their waste loads directly onto the tipping floor. Tipping floors are exposed to severe impact, abrasion, and gouging. Front-end loaders and processing equipment constantly damage the concrete and rebar. This extreme environment requires the protection of a high-strength concrete topping. Metalcrete Industries manufactures both metallic and Emery aggregate toppings. The base concrete is scarified or heavy shot blasted to expose coarse aggregate. A rough, textured profile helps ensure a strong bond to the base concrete. Perimeter anchors are installed to increase mechanical bond strength. Epoxy bonding agent is applied to the base concrete. Aggregate is broadcasted into the wet epoxy bond coat. Unbonded aggregate is removed from the surface. The surface is ready to receive a high-strength concrete topping. A cement latex slurry can also be used to bond concrete toppings. A concrete ready mix truck is used to mix the topping material. Topping material is discharged and placed onto the bonding agent surface. A roller screed is used to achieve maximum consolidation and density. A vibratory truss screed can also be used. Floating the surface levels ridges, fills voids, and smooths surface imperfections. The topping surface is power troweled to achieve a hard, dense finish. High early age strengths allow for a quick return to service.